What's up, everybody? Welcome to Twisted Angle Garage. This is going to be part 5 in our 66 C10 Vintage Air AC kit install. We've got almost everything done. We've got to finish up wiring, a couple of vents, some hoses, just a lot of detail work, finish up some of the wiring we had to move for the computer that was put in the way, things like that. But we should get most everything done today in this episode. So make sure you like, subscribe, share with your friends, and follow along. Here we go. Alright, we got all the wires run up through the dash up in here so we can hide the wiring and connect everything. So we are going to make some connections down here, some connections up here, and we'll get all the wiring done up under the dash. Then we can move outside. So let's get this wiring done. Alright, we're gonna, since we're hiding all the wiring up here, I'm gonna mount the relay for the compressor to the bracket for the box. Alright, we've got the relay mounted, got the wiring done. This little connector here goes into the computer box. Got about a ton of extra line on it, and I'm not going to wind it up, so we're just going to make a big loop of it. Back around here. we got all the wiring done up under the dash behind the glove box. Everything's pretty well wired up under here, so we can move on to getting the main power supply, a dimmer switch hooked up to it for the control panel, and move on to some of the next little details.